Hello, welcome to Mr. Daniel English.
This channel helps you learn easy English.
Our topic today is school conversations.
We will talk like students in class.
Use these simple talks every day.
Let's learn together.
Hi, Sarah.
Oh, hi, Daniel.
How are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am ready. I like school.
I like school too. Let us go inside.
Okay, let us go.
Look, there's our classroom.
Yes, class number 12.
Do you have your books?
Yes, I have my books. I have my English book. I have my math book.
Good. I have my books too.
The class is quiet now.
Yes, the teacher is not here yet.
Who is our teacher today?
I think it is Miss Brown.
I like Miss Brown. She is nice.
Yes, she is very nice. She helps me.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Brown.
Please sit down. Open your English books.
Page number? What page?
Page 10. It is page 10.
Thank you, Sarah.
You are welcome. Okay, time for math. Close your English books. Open your math books.
Daniel, do you have a pencil?
Yes, I have a pencil. Here.
Thank you. I have an eraser. You can use it.
Thank you. Look at the board. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now you try. 5 plus 5? 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Very good, Sarah. Daniel, what is 3 plus 4?
7. 3 plus 4 equals 7.
Excellent! Good job, class. Okay, that is all. Time for break. Go and play.
Break time. I like break time.
Me too. I am hungry.
Do you have lunch?
Yes, I have a sandwich. I have an apple. I have water.
I have a sandwich too. I have juice.
Let us eat together.
Okay, let us sit there.
The sun is warm.
Yes, it is a nice day. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like to run. I like to jump.
I like football. Do you want to play football later?
Maybe. First, I want to eat.
Your sandwich looks good.
It is chicken. Do you want some?
No, thank you. I have my sandwich. It is cheese.
Cheese is good.
Yes, it is my favorite.
Look, there's your friend Mark.
Hi, Mark. This is Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Hello.
Do you want to play football, Daniel? Yes. Sarah, do you want to play?
Okay, I can try.
Good. Let us go to the field. Oh, break is over.
That was fun.
Yes. We can play again tomorrow. Okay. See you later, Mark. Bye, Daniel. Bye, Sarah.
Math was good. I like math.
Math is okay. I like English more.
Really? English is hard for me.
I can help you. We can study together.
That is nice. Thank you, Daniel. Now it is time for art. Do you like art?
Yes.
Good. Today we draw an animal. What is your favorite animal, Daniel?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Good. And you, Sarah? My favorite animal is a cat. Very good. Draw your favorite animal. Use colors.
Sarah, can I use the blue pencil?
Yes, here you are. Can I use the red pencil?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you.
Your cat is very good.
Thank you. Your dog is good too.
I like drawing. It is fun.
Me too. It is my favorite class. Very good, everyone. Please clean your desks.
Sarah, can you help me? I have paint on my hands.
Yes, here's a cloth. Use this.
Thank you.
We need to wash our hands.
Yes, let us go to the washroom.
Now it is story time. Sit on the floor, please. And the rabbit said, "Thank you, my friend." The end. Did you like the story?
Yes, I liked it. The rabbit was funny.
I liked the story too. It was a good story. Okay, class. School is over. Time to go home. Be safe. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Miss Brown. See you tomorrow. School is done. That was a good day.
Yes, a very good day. I liked art class.
Me too. Do you walk home?
Yes, I walk home. My house is near.
My house is near too. We can walk together.
Okay, that is good.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework. Then I help my mom. Then I play.
I do my homework too. Then I watch TV.
Do you have a lot of homework?
Yes, math homework and English homework.
I have English homework too. It is hard.
Remember, I can help you. We can talk on the phone.
That is a good idea. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is my street. I live there.
I live on the next street. See you tomorrow, Sarah.
See you tomorrow, Daniel. Thank you for today.
Thank you, Sarah. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Daniel. How are you?
I am well. Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did. The English homework was hard, but I tried.
Good. I did my homework too. Let me see your answers.
Okay, here is my book.
Oh, number 3 is wrong. Look here.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
No problem. Did you have a good evening?
Yes, I played with my sister. It was fun. Did you watch TV?
Yes, I watched a football game.
That sounds fun. Class, please be quiet. Time for the lesson. Today, we learn about plants. Plants need sun. Plants need water. Do you have plants at home?
Yes, I have a plant. It is small.
I have a plant in my room. Very good. Plants are important. Daniel, do you want some of my orange?
Yes, please. Thank you. I have cookies. Do you want one?
Yes, please. Thank you. This is good.
My mom made them.
Your mom is a good cook.
Thank you. I will tell her.
Look, a new student.
Let us say hello. Hello, I am Daniel. This is Sarah. Hello, I am Leo.
Welcome to our school, Leo.
Thank you. I am new. I do not know anyone. Do not worry. You can sit with us. Really? Thank you.
Where are you from, Leo?
I am from Mexico. My English is not good. Your English is good. We can help you. Thank you. You are very kind.
Do you like sports, Leo?
Yes, I like football. Me too. We play football at break. You can play with us. I would like that. Thank you. I must go to room 7. Room 7 is there, next to the library. Thank you, Daniel. See you later.
Bye, Leo.
Bye.
He is nice.
Yes, it is good to have a new friend.
Oh no, it is raining.
I have an umbrella. We can share.
Thank you, Sarah. My bag will get wet.
Let us run to the door.
We are wet.
But we are at school. It is okay. Good morning, class. It is a rainy day. How are you?
We are wet.
I see. Well, sit down. Today we will sing a song.
I like songs.
Me too. Songs are fun. The song is about the weather. Repeat after me. The sun is hot.
The sun is hot.
The rain is wet.
The rain is wet.
That was a funny song.
Yes, I like the rain now.
Here, Leo, sit with us.
Thank you. What do you have for lunch?
I have noodles. Daniel has bread and soup.
I have rice and beans. That looks good.
How is your English class, Leo?
It is better. You help me a lot. Thank you. You are our friend. Friends help friends.
Yes, after lunch we can play a board game.
Okay, I like games. Yay, it is Friday.
I like Friday. No school tomorrow.
What do you do on Saturday, Sarah?
I go to the park with my family. Do you want to come?
Yes, I would like that. What time?
At 2 o'clock. We can play football.
Great. I will ask my mom.
Leo can come too. Let us ask him.
Leo, Sarah goes to the park on Saturday. Do you want to come? Yes. Thank you for asking me. I will ask my dad.
Good. We will all go. It will be fun. Have a good weekend, class. Be good. See you on Monday.
Thank you, Miss Brown. See you Monday. Bye, Sarah. See you tomorrow at the park.
Bye, Daniel. Do not forget your football.
I will not forget. Bye, Leo. Bye, Daniel. Bye, Sarah. See you tomorrow.